Close your eyes and imagine the age of dinosaurs. You probably picture massive creatures walking on land, like T-Rex and Triceratops. But if you were to look up, you wouldn't see birds. You would see monsters. Today, we are taking flight to explore the fascinating world of pterosaurs. Though they are often called flying dinosaurs, these creatures were actually a distinct group of flying reptiles that ruled the prehistoric skies for over 150 million years. From agile bug catchers to giants the size of airplanes, this is the story of how life first took to the air. We begin our journey in the late Triassic. Before this moment, the skies belonged only to insects. But nature was about to invent a new kind of hunter. Pterosaurs were the first vertebrates to evolve powered flight. Meet one of the earliest known pterosaurs, Eudomorphodon. By modern standards, it was small, with a wingspan of only about 1 meter. But its body was a miracle of evolution. Its wing was formed by a massive membrane of skin stretched from its body to a greatly elongated fourth finger. As we move into the Jurassic period, pterosaurs began to dominate. During this era, they mostly remained relatively small but became highly specialized hunters, filling the ecological niches that birds fill today. The skies are now filled with a variety of winged reptiles. Look at the bizarre head of the Dimorphodon. It had a deep, puffed-out skull, almost like a modern puffin, filled with 2 distinct types of teeth. It was a fast, erratic flyer, likely swooping down to snatch lizards and insects from the ground or the water surface. This is the creature that gave the world the name pterodactyl. The Pterodactylus was a highly successful, specialized fish eater. With a wingspan of only about 1.5 meters, it had a long beak filled with hundreds of tiny, fine teeth, the perfect trap for slippery fish. The Cretaceous period arrives, and the world is changing. The supercontinent Pangaea is breaking apart. During this final era, small pterosaurs began to face competition from the first evolving birds. In response, pterosaurs went massive. This is the icon. With a wingspan of 6 meters, Pteranodon was a truly gargantuan flyer. It soared over the oceans, likely using thermal currents like a glider. It had no teeth and is famous for the dramatic, backward-pointing crest on its skull, which may have been used for display or as a counterweight for its long beak. But the Pteranodon was a dwarf compared to this titan. Ladies and gentlemen, behold the Quetzalcoatlus, the largest flying animal of all time. This monster didn't just have wings. It had a wingspan of 10 to 11 meters, the size of a small F-16 fighter jet. When on the ground, it stood as tall as a giraffe. Recent science suggests that Quetzalcoatlus didn't skim the oceans, it was a terrestrial stalker. It would land, fold its immense wings, and walk on all fours, using its massive beak to swallow baby dinosaurs or other small animals whole, like a colossal, deadly stork. From 1-meter bug snatchers to giraffe-sized predators of the sky, pterosaurs ruled the heavens for over 150 million years. They survived mass extinctions and dominated the planet's aerial ecosystems. However, 66 million years ago, the same asteroid that ended the age of dinosaurs also silenced the skies. The giants like Quetzalcoatlus were gone forever. But the smaller flyers, the birds, survived. The legacy of powered flight continues to soar today. Which of these flying titans is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and keep looking up.